Hey, what's up guys? My name is Jay or FB6J. Welcome to my first actual YouTube video, not like those other ones that I re-uploaded. Here behind me I have my 9th generation Civic Si. Yeah, it's pretty sick or whatever, I guess. It's just bag wrapped, you know, something simple. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install pinstriping to the back rear part of the exhaust. This is gonna be something a little simple change. Got dogs barking in the background, but yeah, not really much of a tutorial. Just gonna be like something to show people since it's so cheap and simple to do. Might as well, right? Okay, right now the car is pretty dirty, so I'm not gonna show you guys a close-up review on it or what I've done. Pretty much all you need for the install is some rubbing alcohol, pinstripe tape from AutoZone. I got this for like $4. It's really cheap, so I mean, just give it a shot. A clean rag. Sheesh. Alright guys, overall for $4 this looks really sick and natural. You know what, I cannot complain about what I did. It was really simple. It took me like 10 minutes to do, really. You can see a little bit of ups that I did, but all I can really say is just careful with stretching and curving it out, because it's really because this thing will not budge. But yeah, I personally think it's awesome. Go ahead and give it a try. Right now I'm just gonna take a thumbnail for the video, and make sure you check out my Instagram. It's _FB6J_, and let me know what you think down in the comments.